I'm okay with messy. I'm okay with ordering food. I'm not okay with talking in your sleep. Night terrors is a real thing, and I like, I. I already I snore. I'm open about. So if you snore, I don't feel bad. But if your snoring wakes me up, that's a problem.
bad.
Because I snore like a bear that's hibernating. Like that's how I go in. And if you have night terrors and you hear my snoring, now you think there's like a fat werewolf chasing you. Like that's not good. So
A fat werewolf.
listen. I'm being honest about my own limitations.